How to turn on or turn off Upwork notifications. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how you can turn on or turn off Upwork notifications. The first step is to log in into your Upwork account. Once you're logged in and you're on this page, you would see the jobs available for you. And then you would see different things. You will see some tabs showcasing find work, my jobs, reports, messages. And then once you've seen all of this, the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. Once you've seen this, click on it. In the box displayed, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen and then scroll down. Scroll down until you can see notification settings. Notification settings is the last on this menu. Once you click on notification settings, you'll be taken to the notification settings page. So on this page, you can decide to select notifications for the different option. For example, for desktop, if you no longer want a notification for this, just tap on this box and then automatically to be on all activity. So you can just put it on nothing. The same thing goes for this. I just select important activity for this alone, and then for mobile you can do the same thing. For email too, you can just tap on the box here and click on nothing. Then you no longer receive notification for your email. And next applies to email updates. So yeah, to remove notification for this particular tab, you can just tap on all of these boxes. All right, and as you're tapping on them, you would no longer be receiving notifications for them. You can scroll down and do it for all others. All right, and then the same thing applies to the tax settings. So this is how you can turn on or turn off Upwork notifications. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.